Hey, what's up guys? This is Andrew and you're watching Double Down, where we talk about anything cryptocurrency related. So today's video is just going to be about like the general market and how it is going down on a downtrend, and I just wanted to basically give you guys an update. There hasn't been, a lot of news about crypto recently, no major outbreaks or anything like that. So just wanted to put another video out just to give you guys an update. So I didn't have like a video for the last week and a half, 2 weeks, but I was trying to get you guys an exclusive one-on-one interview with Shark Tank and CEO of FUBU, Daymond John. And so I did get to meet him. I did talk to him for about an hour and 15 minutes, and it was really great talking to him. However, we couldn't record anything that we talked to him just for confidential information and stuff like that. So I do have like a small clip. I'll put that in right here.
Andrew, man, thank you for hanging out and supporting Rise and Grind. I hope this is just the first of many meetings, brother.
Yes, all right. Sure. Thank you very much.
All right, be careful with that cryptocurrency, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right.
So we basically talked about, what cryptocurrency is and if he's into cryptocurrency. However, he does hold some cryptocurrency himself, and he does think that, it is the future. People need to hop on the wave. And he also said that a good investment strategy for people is be smart with your investment. Don't put your whole life savings in cryptocurrency because it's so volatile at the moment. Only put in exactly what you can lose or what you can afford to lose, and basically you can risk that money to try to make more money. So he said that he sees that a positive outcome for the future, and more companies are slowly starting to adopt cryptocurrency, accept it as payments. And he did hint at maybe some of his companies or some of his holdings could accept cryptocurrency, but again, that's not 100% confirmed. So that's one of the things that I did want to tell you guys. A lot of people right now are still panicking and they're selling. It's panic selling basically, and that's really not what you should be doing. And we were talking about that as well, where it's better to hold at this point, because if you look at the schedule or big timeline of cryptocurrency, it has been very, very stagnant for a long time. And in the last 3 months, it rose to outstanding numbers where people got in at that time because it went to mainstream media. And when people invested all that money, they think that it should keep going up, but that's not how the stock market works, and that's not how cryptocurrency market works. However, we're not going to see a continuous decline. It will go back up, and that's just how the normal markets work. So the people who are holding, they understand how the normal markets work, and they're buying up more, as much as they can, or as much as they can put in when there's a decline. But once the markets start going up, that's when you could start selling. But don't start selling now, because that will just be losing money, because it will go back up. So I just wanted to bring you guys a quick update. I've been trying to get interviews with different investors, high profile people that have invested, have companies that might be accepting cryptocurrency, and get their point of view on it. Again, I didn't get to record the full interview with Daymond John, but I'll give you guys the clip that we did talk about. And he just said be careful with cryptocurrency. It's the best to get into right now, best timing, and you have to learn about the new technology and stuff that's going on in the world. But don't just blindly put your whole life savings or your whole 401k and all that stuff into it, thinking that you're gonna be a millionaire in the next 1 year. So that's one thing you need to watch out for. And always study your coin, go over it. Don't just blindly put it in, because there's a lot of ICOs that went out of business. They basically just took your money and left. There are a lot of other coins that do the same thing. So it's starting to slow down now because the government is cracking down on them. However, you still have to be careful. And basically, that was the gist of our conversation. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope there's good news in the next week or two, so I can keep giving you guys good news. But hopefully this is starting Q2, it does start rebounding and the whole market goes on an incline. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks guys, have a good day.